Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Wednesday, April 29, and I have a Bible story to read to you today. It is called One Thankful Man. Jesus came near a village between Samaria and Galilee. There he heard a loud cry, "Master, help us!" Jesus saw 10 men standing by themselves. They had a terrible skin disease called leprosy. No one wanted them around because they were afraid that they would get sick too. But Jesus was not afraid of the sick men. He wanted to help them. "Go show yourselves to the village priest," Jesus told them. The 10 men obeyed Jesus, and as they were walking to find the priest, suddenly their sores on their skin disappeared. One of the men ran back to Jesus. He bowed down at Jesus' feet. "Oh, thank you, Master," he cried. And he was a Samaritan, not a Jew, like Jesus and the other disciples. Jesus looked around. "Where are the others?" he said. "Did I not heal 10 men? Is this Samaritan the only one that gives praise to God?" Then Jesus smiled at the man and said, "Get up and go now. You were healed because you believed." That's our Bible story today. It is very important to remember that we can go to Jesus and we can ask him to help us with different things, but it's also important to praise him and to say thank you to Jesus and to tell him that we love him. Can we say our Bible verse? That is one way we can praise Jesus, by remembering our Bible verses. For God so loved the world that he gave his one and only Son, that whoever believes in him shall not perish, but have eternal life. Great job, friends. Today in your packet, you're going to find this picture. On it are birds. We see a lot of birds in the springtime, and there are numbers on these birds, numbers 1 through 10. Can you count with me, please, up to 10? That goes with our Bible story today, too. There were 10 men. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what you're going to do is you're going to trace the number on the bird, and then you can color the bird. And when you're finished with that, there's an envelope in your packet, and inside are little cards. It's hard to see them, but there's shapes on these cards. If you would like to color the shapes, you may, and then you're going to flip them upside down, and you're going to play the game of memory with someone. Have a good day, friends.